Bitcoin's price is pumping towards the upside incessantly, and I exactly predicted it that when it will dump, at what level the price will come, and where I will go long. And the best part is the price that I went long from, exactly the Bitcoin's price, that was the main support for it. And after that the price just skyrocketed towards the upside. I will discuss each and everything in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. Here I am on the Bitcoin's daily time frame, and first of all, and I have not made videos for past couple of days, so first of all let me just give you a brief of what has happened in the Bitcoin's price. I hope you all remembered I entered in a long position here exactly at 52.5k level, and this was my price prediction that the price will come exactly at the 52.5k level and will get a bullish reversal towards the upside, and exactly that happened. I went long here and caught this whole move. Well, then what happened, the price of Bitcoin did a breakout of this important purple support and resistance zone from $58,000 to $60,000 without any retest. So I immediately knew this pump won't last long, and I predicted it that the price of Bitcoin will get a rejection, heavy rejection from the 65.8k level, and the same thing happened. Price of Bitcoin got a rejection from this level and dumped towards the downside. Well, when the price was dumping, I made a prediction that the price of Bitcoin will come at $60,000 because of a retest, because you already know this whole zone is important. Price did a breakout of it without any retest. Now it is getting a rejection from here, it is coming down for a retest. But not only this, I made a video and I told you guys that yes, the price of Bitcoin will come at $60,300, but I am aiming for $59,000 level. Why? Because this level is very crucial. Here is the liquidations of many bulls right here. $59,000 was a very, I would say, crucial level for all the bulls right here, because every bull who went long on Bitcoin with high leverage, they all have a similar liquidation price near $59,000. So I knew that the market will come at this level to trap them, to just remove them from their trades, liquidate them, and this is how market works. And I knew immediately. But guess what happened? The price came at my zone and got a reversal towards the upside. Well, at this time I also felt that my prediction went wrong, but hold on a second. The price again tried to pump towards the upside, and if I zoom out, you can clearly see this white trend line right here. This is a very important resistance trend line, because Bitcoin's price is in a downtrend, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high. So this white trend line is very important. And when I saw this rejection, you can clearly see there was a time when the price of Bitcoin went all the way up till 64.4k and got a reversal at the same day, in the same 24 hours, and started to dump once again. And this time I was 100% sure that the price of Bitcoin will come at 59k level to liquidate all the bulls from the market, and same thing happened. Well, this was at night, I still remember this. I just checked the chart and the price was literally at $59,000. I made a tweet regarding it as well. This is the tweet that I made. You can clearly see I exactly predicted, and the screenshot I took in this is the night time. If you look closely, my tweet time was approx 12 AM 11th of August. So I was just checking the charts, and if I zoom in, you can clearly see at that time the Bitcoin's price was exactly at my $59,000 level, and I knew this is the time I have to go long. This is the time I have to inform on my Twitter that I am going long, and you don't have to copy me, but yeah, I mean, this was the best time. And yeah, I went long exactly at the $59,000 level. And after that, you can clearly see this right here. Wait a second, this candle right here, it came at $59,000 right here and got a huge reversal towards the upside in few hours only, from $59,000 to $60,000. And not only this candle closed above my purple support and resistance zone. This is a very important zone, guys. Don't miss it out. From exactly 57.9 $58 approx, 58,000 to $60,200. This is a very important zone, and you can clearly see how the price exactly closed above it. This means the bulls are now again active, and the price has dumped a lot. It has already taken out all the bulls, and now it will rally towards the upside. And the same thing happened. I exactly went long at $59,000, and now you can clearly see the price is pumping and pumping towards the upside. My first target is this level right here at approx $65,000. Let's see how this trade goes. Currently it is in profits only. Now my stop loss is no longer this, so I'll now trail my stop loss. My new stop loss is somewhat over here at $60,500. This is my new stop loss, and I will trail it aggressively time to time when the price goes up and up again. So yeah, let's see how this trade goes. I mean, you have to learn from my trades. Don't copy me blindly. Don't just trade what I am trading, but you have to learn that I do my own analysis and I stick to my own analysis. I said that the price will come at $59,000. It did come, and when the price was at 59k on the midnight of 11th of October, I was still awake, and I made a tweet that I am going long, and the same thing happened. I made a prediction that the price will come here at $52,000 at 52.6. Price will come here and I will go long, and guess what? Price exactly come here, I went long. So you have to learn to do your own analysis and stick to it, and that's how you're gonna make profits in this market. So yeah, currently this is my trade update in profits. Let's see what happens next in the future. Still, I think that the price of Bitcoin is not in a bullish trend, I would say. For shorter term, like if I go to the 1 hour chart or like the 2 hour chart, yes, it is in an uptrend. Price of Bitcoin is in an uptrend. But if I move to the daily or weekly chart, still I think the price of Bitcoin is in a downtrend overall, because it is still stuck between these two important zones. If I zoom out, just focus on these two zones, one zone and this second zone. You will clearly notice that the price is stuck inside these zones only. So overall I am not still that bullish on Bitcoin. So let's see what happens. But my trade right now is running in profits. And talking about Solana, my Solana trade, I would say, was not that accurate. So I'm on the Solana's chart, and when the price of Bitcoin was dumping, my prediction for Solana was approx $131, $132. I thought that the price of Solana can come at this white trend line and get a support from here and then go towards the upside, but it did not happen, because the price of Bitcoin got a huge reversal towards the upside from $59,000 level, and following that every other altcoin also we can see a bullish rally. So Solana also got a reversal. Let's see what happens for Solana. Currently I'm not trading on Solana right now, no trades open, and yeah, let's see what happens. This is a very important resistance zone, 0.618 Fibonacci zone. I hope you all remembered when I draw this live in front of you guys on my video, and price of Solana literally got rejected from here. Also, just a quick trade update on my crude oil trade right here. I hope you all remembered I entered in a long position in crude oil at $66. This was my entry price at approx 10th or 11th of September. My target was this level right here at $72, because this whole zone, whole purple zone, is a very important resistance and support for crude oil from 72.8 to 74.6 approx. Well, my target was 72.8, but as you can clearly see, crude oil came near it and got a rejection towards the downside, and it never came up for a few days, I would say. And I exited this trade in small profits only, because I was trailing my stop loss. So guys, this is the importance of trailing your stop loss. Whenever your trade is in profits, try to trail your stop loss. So in a case that even if your take profit does not get hit and the trade gets a reversal, still you will end up in profits only. So I was pretty sure that the crude oil price has to come and touch $72.8 level, but it did not. It got a huge reversal, this right here. As you can clearly see, this was my target price, and crude oil price nearly come here and got a rejection towards the downside. But I knew that it is the same scenario as the Bitcoin scenario, that first it came at the $60,000 and then got a fake small pump towards the upside, and then it came down at my important $59,000 level. Same thing here also. I knew that the crude oil price will come again at my support, and this time it will pump towards the upside. So same analysis once again. I entered in a long position in crude oil at $67.2. This candle right here, this candle, I went long on crude oil. Wait a second. Yeah, this candle right here, I went long on crude oil once again, and my first target was same again, $72.8. Second target was $74.6. This whole zone, I have to capture this whole zone. And now the third target, I made a short video on crude oil as well, in which I live told you guys that what is my third target. My third target was this white resistance zone from 78.10 level to $79 level. This whole zone is a very important resistance zone. So this is a very important resistance zone, and this was my target. And guess what, the price of crude oil exactly touched here my target. Take profit 3 got triggered, and now it is right here. So let's see, I exited this trade somewhat over here only. Why did I exited this trade here? Well, my take profit 3 was hit, and I was aggressively trailing my stop loss. So when the price of crude oil dumped and come at this level, I exited all of my trades. So originally all my take profit 1, 2 and 3 got triggered, and I exited this trade exactly at here, $75.8 approx. And all of this knowledge, I'm not just boasting or like just showing off in front of you guys. No, this is so that you guys learn from these trades to hold a trade, trail a stop loss, when to take a trade, when not to take a trade. You have to listen to your own self. No one will tell you what to do and what not to do. So I hope you understand. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand my Bitcoin analysis at the $59,000 level, why this was a very important level for me. I made a video about it as well, and I stick to my analysis. When the price came exactly at 59k, I entered in a long position. Informed you guys on my Twitter as well, so do follow me on my Twitter, link is in the comment box. And not only this, but my Solana trade, which was not accurate, I mean it's okay. Main is Bitcoin only, because if you can capture and if you can predict Bitcoin's price, then every other altcoin will follow that only. And my crude oil trade as well, small crude oil trade. So yeah, I hope you guys learn from these trades. I'm not saying to follow me or subscribe to me or copy me, no, just learn from these trades. Yeah, that's it, nothing else. If you want to trade Bitcoin or Solana, you can do that on Bybit, and if you want to trade crude oil, you can do that on Xness. Both of them link are in the description and in the pinned comments, or else you can go to any search browser and create an account on any exchange you want, but beware of scams. So yeah, this is it for today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.